Hey salam, I hope you guys do well. Al is back with another video, and this time I'm making one of the best delicious chicken tenders. We're gonna make the chicken tenders two different ways, a classic chicken tender and spicy honey garlic chicken tenders. It's gonna be amazing. I'm gonna serve these tenders with buffalo ranch sauce. Without further ado, let's get started. Chef presents. We're going to start by brining the chicken. Here I've got 2 large chicken breasts. Now this part of your chicken breast is called chicken tenders or tenderloin. What you want to do is you want to remove this from your breast. Sometimes it would easily come off, other times you will need to use a knife. Now with the breast you want to cut it into long strips, something like this. If you see some of the breast is too thick like this one, what you can do is just pull your knife through and just let the knife do the work. Now you want to remove the breast into a bowl. Here with a good touch of salt, red chili, finally a light touch of hot sauce. We're using hot sauce to flavor our chicken. It's best to make your own hot sauce. If you can't do that, then use Tabasco or any of your other favorite sauce. Wash your hands and give this a really good mix. We're gonna let the chicken brine for at least an hour. For best results, let it brine for 24 hours. Leave this in the fridge to brine. For the dredge, in with plain flour. Here with the black pepper, white pepper, garlic and onion powder, smoked paprika, salt, yeast extract or MSG. Finally some dried oregano. A really good mix to that. I set that to a side. Now let's grab the chicken, our flour mix and some water. Now before we start coating our chicken, turn up the heat to around medium-high with the oil. And bring the oil temperature to around 160 Celsius or 320 Fahrenheit. Alright, let's start coating the chicken. First of all, you want to grab the chicken into the flour and make sure to coat this properly. After you're done coating, just shake off the excess. I'm gonna throw this into the water. I'm just gonna keep it there for a few seconds until the flour is wet completely. Slowly take that out, back into the flour, and add the flour, and you just want to press it down. And then I'm just gonna start to coat the chicken. I'm also like grabbing and pushing it towards my side. You want to do this a few times. And listen, you need to invest in your future and buy a digital thermometer. Alright, so that's beautifully coated. And now you just want to shake off the excess. That's exactly what you're looking for. Now straight away you want to start frying that chicken. Just keep it there for a few seconds and drop that in. Now don't overcrowd. You want to let these cook for around 5 to 6 minutes until the internal temperature reaches 75 Celsius, which is roughly around 165 Fahrenheit. Alright, so it's coming to around 6 minutes. Look at the color, nice and golden brown. That's exactly what we're looking for. Beautiful, crispy. I'm just gonna start removing them onto this cooling rack. Our mouth-watering classic chicken tenders done. Now for the spicy honey and garlic chicken tenders, you want to thinly slice these red chilies, de-seed them and then slice them. You also want to finely chop some of this garlic. In a pan, add a touch of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, in with the garlic. Also red chilies. Give that a mix. You just want to soften up that garlic and red chili. In other words, you don't want a color on that garlic and red chili. And with a touch of water. Turn the heat to low, in with the honey. And with the hot sauce, a touch of salt, black pepper, a light touch of water, mix, and you want to bring this to simmer. Now when it starts to simmer, turn off the heat and throw in some dried parsley. Mix that in. It will thicken as it cools down. Have a little taste if you like. Exactly what we're looking for. A bit garlicky, a bit spicy. Add in the chicken tenders with our beef sauce. Now for the amazing buttermilk ranch sauce. With the buttermilk, of course, and with our mayonnaise, some of this really fine garlic, get all the flavor in there. Now for some sweetness, I'm using barbecue sauce. If you want, you can use ketchup instead. A light touch of onion powder, freshly ground black pepper, light touch of salt and parsley. A really good mix to that. And here we have a delicious buttermilk ranch sauce. Have a little taste if you like. Or let's plate this up. Add in the chicken tenders. Our buttermilk ranch sauce. Classic chicken tenders. And spicy honey and garlic chicken tenders. Done. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. Let's try the classic chicken tender. Bismillah. So much flavorful. All those different spices. Amazing. Alright, let's try this bad boy. Wow, so much flavorful. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.